I'm Tanushri Gupta. I'm currently working with Frontizo Business Services, which is an Amazon joint venture organization. So currently I am working as an HR business partner here, and it's going to be about a year with this organization. Prior to this, I worked with Flipkart, and the journey there was for about 5.5 years. So that's in brief about me. See, the initiative that I presented, that is something that has been very close to my heart. So as an HR professional, there are a number of projects and initiatives that one works on, but the initiative on Mom on Board is really special. Why? Because it stemmed from my own experience after I joined back my organization post my maternity break. So that is why it becomes very close to my heart. And I was the challenges and the struggles that I faced at that point in time, not to say that the company policies, etc., were not in place. The organization really had world-class policies, etc. But yes, everything that we try to do, there are some loopholes or gaps, which we sometimes fail to analyze, or we fail to identify in the beginning, right? So I think, yeah, my experience fell through those loopholes and the struggles that I faced, but I was very determined that the other moms in the organization, or the future moms in the organization, should not face those same struggles, and they should basically benefit from my own journey here. And that is when the whole idea of working on this entire maternity program, which takes into account the experience or the challenges that a woman undergoes pre-maternity, then during the maternity phase, and post-maternity. Mm-hmm. So the policies usually talk about what happens when a woman goes on maternity break, or how will a woman go onto a maternity break. It really doesn't take into account what will happen before she goes on maternity, and how will things be taken care of once she comes back to the organization, mm-hmm. right? So these were the things that we really, I and along with the other people who worked with me on this initiative of mine, we really focused on these aspects of the entire project. Mm-hmm. So yes, the initiative did kick off well, and that is why it also had a good impact. The organization also ended up winning a few awards. So all in all, yes, the initiative has been a very enriching, and it was a great learning experience. Not that everything fell into place right at the beginning. There were challenges that we had to face, because it involved a lot of mindset change that we wanted to bring about in the organization, not just with the men folks, but also with the women folks as well. So a lot of mindset change had to be brought about. A lot of things from a systemic standpoint had to be fixed. A lot of binds and approvals had to be taken. But yes, all in all, once things fell in place, I think we did emerge victorious in terms of achieving the objective that we always wanted to. Pragya, you're not audible.
Okay. Sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. I thought it was overall a transformational journey of the complete mindset of, I believe, the entire organization, and it would impact them not only over here, but anywhere they go. So this shift is a huge victory for you guys.
Yes, correct.
Okay. All right. And how was your overall experience with the entire event conducted and the organized and everything?
Yeah, so I think I'm really, really glad to be a part of this entire journey with HR Success Talks and the team, which includes you guys. I think the whole journey has been very enriching, and it has really been very smooth. See, in the COVID times, and everything has become virtual. Mm-hmm. The relationships that we have to build, or the networking that we have to do, is all virtual, right? Sometimes we do not even know we cannot even give a face to the name. Mm-hmm. Right, because people usually choose to switch their videos off while having those video calls. So I think in those times, this journey has been very enriching, and as soon as I came to know of something like this happening, I was really motivated. Mm-hmm. That yes, in amidst the pandemic times, wherein I have also been struggling with respect to bandwidth, because I have a toddler who is about 3 years old. Then I have office work to look into, plus smaller household things that need to be taken care of. I was really determined that yes, I need to do something for myself, and that is when I did not let my spirits deter at all. And thanks to the team who also kept us motivating time and again in terms of how the event will be, in terms of introducing the jury members to us, and then conducting all the various phases of the events with respect to the various sessions that we had. So I think all in all, the journey has been very great. And today, after winning this award, I think I am motivated to work even harder, both for myself and for the women around me. And also, I think it brings a lot of confidence in me that yes, things that we do, they do make a difference to the others. Because when you see that happening, it actually is a great encouragement, right?
Right.
So that way, I am very elated, very delighted today. And thanks to you guys again.
I'm so much happy that you could benefit with this collaboration and all. Okay. And thanks for all your appreciation and thanks for your time, Tanushree. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Pragya. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.